Today we're going to be doing an old traditional system. So we have here a Techno. This should be Spark 8, brought by a customer, and the person has been complaining about charging system. He charges it and it doesn't goes up. It shows charging but does not climb. That's the battery percentage. It does not climb. So I'm gonna be using this advantage to show you guys a traditional method in case there is no light, how you're gonna be using a simple lighter like this to replace a charging system. You understand? In case you don't have a hot air gun, this is a hot air gun we use in removing the charging system. In case you don't have this, or in case there's no light for you to do this, then you use this to replace the charging port. Okay, so bring the camera.
Scrolling through your phone all day, watching others laugh and play. Just chill out. Friendly advice, let it fade away.
Okay, so we have our charging card. We're gonna put it here to this board hook. Okay, and we'll use our lighter. We want to remove this old charging system. So we have our faucet. We just
Don't you stress now, let it go now. Just chill out, let it fade away.
all right. Okay, it's soft. So you see, this is the old charging system. We just unplugged. Okay.
Ain't got Wi-Fi, ain't got a good connection. Can't find your car in the parking section. Just chill out, change your
Okay, this is a new
direction.
charging system.
Coffee's cold, the
So we have to
toast
apply
just
here.
black.
So first, we start by hitting the board
Just chill out. There's no turning.
so that they should get soft. So it can heat up the lead here and the lead will become soft.
Don't you stress.
Then now we place the charging system on it. Okay,
Just chill out.
I think by now it is soft.
Hey,
Place the
listen,
charging system on it like this,
life's not a race, you know. Sometimes you gotta take it slow.
like so.
That little screen
Okay,
doesn't own you. So put it down and let the sun shine through.
see how perfect it is.
Don't
So
you stress now.
it's fine. All right.
Just chill out. Let it fade away. Don't you stress now. Just let it fade away.
We have to test right now. This is the moment of the truth if everything worked correctly. Okay, so we have a Android USB charger here. We'll plug and we see if it's going to work. Okay, it works. All right, so now it's actually 0%. So we would leave it on charge and wait and see if it climbs. If it climbs, then everything is good, because the customer said the phone charges but it does not climb, and the customer also said he has to choose spots for it to charge. So we'll see after letting it maybe like say 5 minutes, and we see how many percentage he has. Okay, it's not even up to 5 minutes, yeah, but I think it should be around 3 minutes. So let's check if the percentage has increased. So it was actually 0%. So let's see where it has gotten to. Okay, it's 3%, which means there's actually progress. You can see it's 3%. So that was a good charging port replacement. So please, thumbs up, like, and share the video, please. Thank you.